Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the differences between a page and a post that you put on WordPress. So without further ado, let's get into it. There are mainly four differences between a post and a page that you make on WordPress. The first one is timeliness. You know, if you go to a post, for example, I have this hello world post here. If I go to the link, as you can see, it's giving me exact time of the when the post was created. Also, this time the format of the time can be changed by however your theme is. For example, this theme has only month, the day of the month and the year. For example, you can put time, exact hour, minute and second that it was there. But pages are not supposed to do such thing. For example, if you go to the about us page, I don't have it in this one. It does not have such thing, and it's not meant to have. But of course, you may still need to edit some part of your pages from time to time. For example, you might update your location if you move or add a new teams member bio as your company grows. Uh, However, you shouldn't have to update your pages very often, because they are the mainly aesthetic things of your website. The next thing is the ownership. Apart from date, each post usually displays an author, categories, and tags. This information is typically displayed on the top or the bottom of your post, depending on your, for example, theme. For example, this theme, which is a default theme here, it's on the bottom, for example, by your username and the tags and categories and everything. And by default, posts are personalized and include details such as your name, maybe your gravatar icon, and this is especially useful if you're running a website with several contributors. Like it's a website for articles and such things, and it can help the audience to relate to each other, particularly if your writers specialize in different topics or have distinct styles. The next one is organization. You can organize your posts with tags and categories, which is a recommended practice. Well-designed taxonomies help visitors and Google to navigate through your content for SEO's matter of your website. You can add categories um, if you have classic editor installed and you got rid of your Gutenberg. You have this classic editor and you can easily add categories here, make change or make the primary difference and add tags, hello post, this easily, and it'll help you to organize your website for similar content, and it'll help the audience to follow and navigate through your website. You don't have to use, but it's a very good idea to use them because it'll help your website, your SEO, and your users to understand your website better. The next one is the social engagement part. When it comes to interacting with your audience, posts are perfect platform. By default, posts come with the comment section, although you can disable it if you prefer. And also many themes feature social media buttons so that your visitors can instantly share your content with their network. Uh, and if your theme doesn't enable social sharing, plugins like Jetpack can help you to add the feature. You can even distribute your posts via RSS feed, and so readers can stay up to the date with the news. But on the other hand, pages don't include comments, although you can enable that functionality if you wish. However, sections like your About page aren't usually ideal for interaction. Instead, you can encourage discussion under your posts by leaving, appropriate call to action, also called CTA, at the end of each article. So that's it for the video. I hope you understood the concept well, and hope you'll use this data to make a better website. See you in the next video. Goodbye.